Getting rid of mosquitoes in the house is incredibly complicated. Mosquitoes, as we know, are outdoor insects and they want to have moisture to survive. You will generally find mosquitoes gathering in the evening or early morning in areas where there are moisture. So they're going to be either in your kitchen or your bathroom. It's really important to keep these areas dry as much as possible. Unlike other insects, mosquitoes aren't really attracted to UV light, so UV traps are not super effective. The most important thing that you can really do is figure out how the mosquitoes are coming in and try to eliminate that process. Mosquitoes inside, it's just going to be a hunt down and kill as seen. That's the symptom and not the underlying problem. The underlying problem is they're getting in from outside. So take a good look at all of your screens on all of your windows. Make sure that they don't have any holes in them and make sure that they're firmly shut. Mosquitoes will crawl along a window screen and test it looking for openings to get through. So making sure that screens are in good repair is really important for mosquito control on the inside of your home. Something else that you can look into are there are products available online that are very effective nowadays for mosquito control. Thermacell, I believe, is one of the brands that you can find that's relatively inexpensive, and they have really good repellent properties for mosquitoes. Placing those indoors can at least help buy you some time if you're being really flustered by mosquitoes that have gotten inside. The most important thing to do is keep new mosquitoes from coming in.